Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see unique constraint. The unique constraint ensures that all the values in your column they are different. This is our staff member table and we are going to apply unique constraint on very first column employee ID. This is syntax for creating our staff member table. Earlier we have applied not null constraint on these three columns. Now when you are applying unique constraint, you just need to put the unique keyword after your not null keyword. You can just insert the space here and then you can write your unique keyword. That's how you will apply another constraint to employee ID column. Once the table is created with the unique constraint, it will hold unique values. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys.